Traders Brian here with A Plus Setups, and it is Tuesday, May 26th, 2026. First day of the week, back from Memorial Day. Hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is our trade summary. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, over on the left-hand chart, this is kind of like my, this is my contextual framework that I use to tell me when to start looking for a setup. So basically, I'm using two features on here, trendline breaks and divergences from the extreme from our triple focus indicator. So let's go ahead and move into this and just show you what I did right, what I did bad today. So first trade right out of the gate is we had a beautiful triple focus divergence leading right into the opening bell. We came in, I got short over here and got a quick scalp out of it. It was very, very shaky through this section right here. Very, very shaky. But we got a quick short scalp out of the way to get the day started. Now, second trade was we came down and we broke the trend. It was a beautiful rundown. I had to pull back into, this was a reverse mullet. Let me back up a second. So this first trade I took, the divergence trade was a reverse mullet. You can see our software printing dots here. This is what I have set for a reverse mullet setup. So we got in on this first one and came out on the scalp. Another retracement and put anybody that may have taken that trade in for a super, super nice trade right there. But I didn't do that. We just got the one win there. So we got the trend line break. We came down. I was looking for the first setup, and we actually got it right here. It was you can't see it, but there's an arrow right there where our software printed the jiggle. Well, I managed to short the low of the day. It was a beautiful trade. It happens. So I took a loss there. And then we had a quick trend line break. So I was looking for a long, and we get a jiggle set up right there. It was a beautiful, beautiful trade. Went really quick, super easy. So that was trade number 3. Trade number 4, our last trade of the morning, happened right around 10 a.m. Eastern, and it was another beautiful triple focus divergence. We looked for the first trade setup, and lo and behold, I actually missed this. Somebody in the room called this trade out. They're like, hey, you missed that divergence right there. That was a beautiful reverse mullet divergence that I completely missed. But we got another divergence trade off of the highs. And we were looking for the first A+ setup, and we got another jiggle to the short side. Worked out really nicely. So for the day, we went 3 wins, 1 loss in the demo account. Funded accounts, I was slightly red in one cluster of funded accounts. I mean, to the tune of about 3 Big Mac meals. So I call that a good day. I personally do not do very well on days that go straight up. I mean, I was on my lunch break during this. There's beautiful structure here. And then we just, went back up again. So, but anyway, 3 wins, 1 loss over here. We had 1 win in an eval that we were trading. And then in another cluster of funded accounts, we were green for the day slightly. I didn't get my profit target, but on a day like today, I'm just like, it was a good day trading for me. So that was how we wrapped up today. So anyway, that was the good, the bad, and the ugly for A+ setups in the live trading session. If you have any questions, definitely give us a call. I'll leave some contact info, how you could join or get in touch with me at the end of this video here. So anyway, good luck in your trading. Hope to see you in the room. Have a good one.